everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another edition of Look What I Made with my hashtag Paper Stash Smash projects for the month of February. I've got another project that I wanted to share with you. I think it's really fun, and it's using 6x6 paper pads. So this is a Bo Bunny collection that I've had in my stash for a very long time. I pulled out 2 of these to work on projects, and this is one of the projects that I made. This is not my tutorial, but I did convert it from centimeters to inches, and I will have a link down below to the original tutorial so you can see it, but I kind of took it a step further. This is an explosion kind of box, but I kind of went and did a little bit more, and then if you guys want, let me know. I can do a tutorial on how to make it. Okay, so anyway, this is a really cool box. Again, I'm using the Easter papers, so I covered the outside just really pretty blue, floral papers. I put pink on the bottom. I loved the bunny, so I put the bunny on both sides here. And then I have a punch that does butterflies, and so I just put the butterflies there, but I only glued down the body so that the wings can be kind of up a little bit and give it a little bit of dimension, but super cute. It has a triangular lid, and the lid is attached. So when you open the lid, I'm going to try and hold it together so you can see it. Inside the lid, if you can see this, I put one of those wooden gnome ornaments that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just took the twine loop off of it, and then I put a couple more butterflies here, and he's an Easter gnome. He's got Easter eggs in his basket, so he's super cute. But that's what that looks like. And then on the inside, see, when you open this up, then so it explodes. Okay, so it goes out like that, and then it goes out like that. And then on the inside, what I did was I made one of those little candy dish things that we've made before, right? I think everybody's made one of those at some point or another. But I just used a smaller piece of paper to make a really tiny basket. On the top, I put a flower and then another one of those butterflies in the flower. And then I put a little bow on the front of the basket, and then these cute little foamy carrots that I had in my stash, I think from Dollar Tree a while ago, and I just glued those there. Then I added some photo mats, so you could put photos in there, but you could also put candy in here. So my thoughts were like, those fun-sized candy bars, you could put 4 of those in there. You could fill this with jelly beans. You could, whatever. I just think it's adorable, and I really love it, and it was fun to make. It was super easy, too. So again, I did convert it from centimeters to inches and then added that little basket in there. And then it just closes up. And I want to show you. So like, here's the outside. So like I covered everything. I'll turn it over so you can see. So that's what it looks like on the back. Adorable. I think it is cute. And then when you fold it up, you just fold the sides in like that. And then the front and the back. And then that goes over the top. And boom, your box is closed. And I just think that's really cute. So let me know. Do you want a tutorial on this? If you do, I will do one. Okay. Well, then once I made one explosion box, you can't like not make another explosion box, right? So I took some of the papers and made a mini explosion box. This thing is too darn cute. It's 2 by 2 by 2. Glued a little flower on the top, just simple decoration. It's so small. I mean, there's not much else you can decorate it with. And then I put these flat back pieces on the bottom to be feet. And then, so you open it up, and then it pops out like that. And then you open it up, and it pops out like that. And then you open it up, and it pops out like that. So, you can't have too many explosion boxes, and you guys know me. I love my explosion boxes. I sure do. Oh, they're my favorite. So I wanted to throw this in here too. So I made a couple of these explosion boxes. One was a micro mini. I thought this one would be fun to put some sort of even like a Cadbury egg, if I could get it to stay in there somehow. I'll figure that out. But yeah, that would be a fun little gift to give to somebody, I thought. What do you think? So thank you so much for watching. Again, this is another project share from hashtag paperstashsmash, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay crafty, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.